Hey, Chef and Chefettes.
What's up, YouTube? We are back with another video, baby! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are back with another episode of TRE. Tell them what TRE is.
Trini Rican Eats, guys.
Episode 3, I believe, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. It would be more because I love to try food, but you know, I will be big. Fix your face.
Guys, y'all see the spread? Y'all see the spread? Today we are trying the name of the restaurant that we're trying today is Kaitieur Liberty Resturant. You want to tell them where it's at, where it's located, babe?
Sure. It's on 12004 Liberty Avenue in Richmond Hill, New York.
So based on our reviews, if you guys are curious how it tastes, try it.
And we're going to let you know today.
So here's a picture of the menu. Y'all see that? Y'all want me to open this?
Please. Look at all that food.
To the meal.
Let's dive in because I'm waiting.
So guys, we plated it. And we plated it. We ordered 2 separate dishes. You want to tell them what we ordered, babe?
I'll say one. You could say the other one.
All
we
right.
ordered. One order was jerk lamb lo mein or chow mein.
And the second order was chicken fried rice. So we plated each. We're both gonna sample each dishes. I'm gonna tell you what we think.
And in front here, with the order, they gave us their own pepper sauce, right? So we have their pepper sauce, and then we have Cooking Comedy's homemade pepper sauce, right?
Yeah.
Which is so delicious, guys. We can drop the link in this video for the pepper sauce if you guys are interested.
We definitely will. Guys, the chicken fried rice was $8.25 and the lamb lo mein was $12.15. After taxes, everything came up to like $22.
Not bad.
Not bad. And you get 2 big portions. Like I said, I'm gonna show you what it comes in. It's huge. What are we gonna try first, babe?
Let's try this fried rice.
The fried rice? All right, we'll try the fried rice first.
How you ask me and then make that face like that?
Because this lo mein looking
It
good.
look good. I was trying to save the best for last because it looks amazing.
So we're gonna try the fried rice. Let me bring this a little closer so you guys can get the first look. Not the first bite, not the first taste. Y'all get the first look at this fried rice. I'm not gonna put any condiments on it yet.
We also have soy sauce too.
Yes, they give you soy sauce and you get their hot sauce, but our hot sauce better.
Yes, it is.
Bon appetit.
Enjoy. This fried rice is very good. I'm sorry. That's too soon?
I won't say all that.
It's very good. I really like it. It doesn't taste like regular Chinese food rice either. Why did your face look like that? I like the rice.
You said it's very good. Any flavor.
Really?
I'm sorry. I'm gonna need a little soy sauce or something in here.
Really?
I don't know. What?
I can eat this just like this without no soy sauce.
You don't want soy sauce?
I'll try it. Put a little bit right here.
Yeah, it needs a little. I think it needs some soy sauce.
Let's see. We're making a mess.
I'm gonna try it again. To me, it's meh.
It looks like it has some scrambled eggs in this fried rice too. You see that? It's good with soy sauce. There's scallions in this fried rice.
Onions, eggs.
Onions, eggs. You took like 20 bites. You still.
Don't mind me.
Oh.
That's the best fried rice you ever had. I'm gonna try the chicken. I'm gonna try the chicken. I'm sorry.
That's pretty.
I'm sorry. I'm trying chicken.
I didn't say it was the best fried rice I ever had. I just said it's very good.
This fried rice is very good. No.
It is good. I like it. I would get this fried rice again.
I see why they give you soy sauce and hot sauce. I think you need it.
You put hot sauce on your rice too?
No, don't watch
Don't
me.
mind you. Don't watch you.
Don't mind me. Don't watch me.
Oh, okay, okay.
I put hot sauce on my chicken. I think you need to add the soy. Oh, I'm making a mess. I think you must add the soy sauce and the hot sauce.
The chicken could be better, honestly. That's just my opinion.
When you put the soy sauce and the hot sauce
On the chicken?
on everything, it enriches the flavor. It makes it taste better.
Did you use all the soy sauce?
Mm-hmm.
I want to taste their hot sauce and see what that's about. I know you already went for our hot sauce. I see it. But why am I still watching you?
Don't mind me. Don't watch my food.
All right.
Watch your food.
All right. Let me put this piece with their hot sauce.
You jumpy in my food.
I'm not jumping in your food.
You know when you just watch people food, it'll spoil.
I'm not jumping in your food.
Oh, I'm sorry. Ladies first.
Thank you. I'm going to put a little bit of our pepper sauce on one chicken and then their pepper sauce on another side.
I didn't even try that pepper sauce yet.
I know. I saw. Now, let me try theirs first. And see if it gets a little bit more flavor. Oh! No, that's baby hot sauce.
Is baby hot sauce?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, their sauce is baby hot
That was
sauce.
better? I'm gonna try the pepper sauce. Ooh, I make it.
Our pepper sauce is better.
I put a little too much.
Because ours has flavor
Ooh.
and a kick.
Ooh. So you mean I can lick my fingers after touching this pepper sauce?
Yeah, I promise.
Yeah, that's not hot.
It's not hot at all.
But let me try the chicken. Guys, I'm just gonna eat with my hands. I'm sorry. I'm not acting shy. I go pick up my meat and eat with my hand. I don't even use a fork. I just trying to look fancy for y'all. Give me a damn spoon so I can pick up all my rice.
I didn't get a spoon.
I was trying to be fancy. You ain't hear me? Look.
Don't be lying to our people.
Pinky up.
We're not drinking tea.
What do you mean?
Pinky up go with tea. I like this rice.
You like it, right?
Yeah.
Well, you know, as food reviewers, we can have a difference of opinion.
Yeah.
And the rice is okay.
I like the rice. One thing I can say is the rice could be maybe a little bit more like moisture in it. But I like the flavor.
No lie. I got a little pepper sauce in my rice. It turned the rice up a notch. It's not a 10.
Oh.
You have to add the pepper sauce in your rice.
So you have got our pepper sauce in the rice.
You have to add the pepper sauce in the rice. Well, they give you pepper sauce, so it's to use. I hope you like pepper sauce. And you know, West Indian, they use a lot of spices, a lot of pepper sauce. So if you're not big on spices, this may not be for you.
Yeah, this is true.
Yeah, if you're not big on spices, it may not be for you.
Because it already, when they cook, they have like a little kick in their food, like a little tingle. It's not like regular Chinese food fried rice.
All right, I had enough. After you're done, we're going to go rate this.
Oh.
Chicken fried rice. Y'all ready for the rating?
You go first.
We're not going to rate the chicken and the rice. The whole meal as one, all right? Why me first? It's ladies first. I'm a
I'm
gentleman.
still eating. Go ahead.
We go wait for you to eat. We go watch you eat like you just watch me.
That's fine. I'm going to give this a 7.
We give it a 7?
Yeah, because
I agree. Give me a bounce.
I didn't really like this chicken. It did it. I mean, something not right.
I give it a 7. It's not the greatest. It's good.
Yeah.
But it's not the greatest. But I ain't gonna lie, that pepper sauce turned it up. If I didn't have the pepper sauce, I may have given it a 6. Our pepper sauce turned it up.
Right.
It's hot. All right. We slacking. We're slacking.
Oh.
The moment we've been waiting for. Oh, let me. You still.
Don't watch me.
Don't
watch me.
You got accent?
Don't watch me.
Where you from? Sando? Chagaramas.
Guyana.
Oh. Cut. Review over. It's Trini Rican Eats. Guyana. Oh, you're choking?
You're killing me.
You're choking?
Don't
Anybody know CPR? Anybody know CPR? Please, comment below if you know CPR. All right. Come on. Moment we've been waiting for.
Okay.
Guys, let me show you this jerk lamb lo mein. You see that? This is the jerk lamb lo mein. The moment we've been waiting for. Let's go. Oh shoot! We didn't say grace. Grace. Let me go. Hey, we're a little late, but still, we still said it. You ready? Bon
I want to
appetit.
tell you, no, we do not pray like that in the house when we really eat.
Don't speak for me. Guys, you ready? Bon appetit. Let's go. I'm gonna try the lo mein first before I jump into that jerk lamb.
Not me. Not I.
Now I'm gonna try the lamb.
Y'all saw my face? Y'all saw my face?
Now I'm gonna add a little cooking comedy pepper sauce. You want some of this? Ooh, I always make it a mess. Damn. This you don't want to lick your fingers.
No, that's true. Our pepper sauce is hot, but you can taste all the flavors before you. It's not like one of them hot sauces you burn your mouth. We have flavor, and then we have a kick. Right, boo?
I'm feeling. Can't talk with my mouth full.
This. You're gonna rate this one first. I would love to hear what you think.
Keep making monkey faces.
Not making no monkey face. That's what you think I do?
Don't talk with your mouth full. Y'all see me tearing this up, right?
Right, he can't even speak. He hasn't said nothing negative. I can't wait for his rating. My bad.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Carry on.
I saw a squirrel. I saw a squirrel. Woo! You know when your nose start running? It's hot. Woo! That cooking comedy pepper sauce is fire.
Right.
Woo!
Guys, honestly, without our pepper sauce, this dish alone, it has kick to it. It has spice. You can tell they use some kind of Cajun powder or something, because for those who do not eat pepper sauce, you will feel like this dish is spicy.
That's my last piece, damn.
You mad. You so mad. You so mad it's his last piece.
I don't want your food.
Don't watch me.
I ain't watching you. I'm watching my fans.
Don't watch my plate. When he gets to that last noodle, watch you go watch my plate. I can't stand you today. Today, can't stand you.
Eat your food. Eat your food. Need help?
No.
Yeah?
Don't watch my plate.
You're struggling over there.
Don't watch my plate.
You're struggling over there. Come, let me your hand.
Don't watch my plate. You eating that real quick, yo.
Man. Let me help you.
No.
Come on. Woo.
You good.
Woo, my nose running. Hot. Ah. Woo.
You didn't even put soy sauce on yours.
It didn't need soy sauce. Guys, the lo mein did not need soy sauce. Matter of fact, you could have ate this without anything.
Yep.
I'm not gonna lie. You didn't even have to add anything to the lo mein. The lo mein was good. I'm not gonna lie, the lo mein was good. Better than the chicken fried rice, I'll tell you that. It was way better.
Definitely.
So we're gonna wait for her to finish so she can tell her.
No,
I'm first.
You first.
That's right, I'm first. We're gonna wait for you. Man, you didn't even let me help you. You inhale that.
Yo, don't watch me.
You want some more? There's a whole tray.
Don't watch me.
All right, guys. The moment. First, I want to say the lamb is delicious. It has a distinct flavor. If you're not used to lamb, try it. I'm gonna say try it. It has a distinct kind of like a gamey, wild flavor, but it is good. The lo mein is perfect. And then when we added our pepper sauce, banging! I give that a 10. I give the lamb lo mein matter of fact, 11.
So delicious.
I want more. I will be going back there for the lamb lo mein and something different, and we're gonna review it again the next time. I gotta go back there. You know when you gotta go back somewhere, it was good. The lamb lo mein, 10. What do you give the lamb lo mein, boo?
Definitely a 10. I wouldn't even share with him.
Yeah, we saw.
Oh.
We definitely saw.
Oh.
You this is you.
But I wasn't like that with the rice and the chicken. But the rice had flavor. But it did not beat this lo mein at all.
The rice was the chicken fried rice was okay. We gave it a 7. But this lamb lo mein, a 10. Guys,
10, definitely.
go to Kaitieur Liberty. Get the lamb lo mein. Tell them Cooking Comedy sent you.
Yep. So good.
Anything else you want to say to our subscribers?
No, because I just want to go eat some more.
You want some more? She gotta go. She's gonna eat the rest off camera, guys. Guys,
Don't judge me.
I never judge you.
Totally.
Guys, we hope you like this episode of Trini Rican Eats. That's it. And we are out.